ang pinaka-love language po nila talaga is yung pag nagbibigay ako ng time. Yun yung love language ko para sa kanila.
Love language.
Love language.
Yeah. For, like, yeah, for you and Jude.
Oh, as you can see, he cannot sit still. So he loves rough play. I try to keep up with his energy as much as I can. Hanggat makakaya ko, pero madami siya nun. Sobrang dami. So, love language namin. He also likes watching movies. We watch movies together, a lot of movies.
And then you say that they watch Earthquake.
He loves earthquakes. He's actually very, very curious. So, ang bonding talaga namin ni Jude, he likes asking questions. And as much as possible, tinatry kong sagutin lahat ng tanong niya, kahit gaano pa ka-random yung mga tanong na yan. Even at night before we sleep, madami pa rin siyang tanong. Kahit nakapikit pa ako sa umaga, marami na siyang tanong. So, ayun yung mga little things na, yung mga bonding namin. And, ayun, ano pa ba? Medyo challenge to, no? Challenge yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Multitasking. Yes, I think yun lang naman, most of the time.
Thank you. What about you, Mommy Elise?
Kami ni Feliz naman, I think what I like to give her is quality time and words of affirmation when it comes to the love languages. Kasi kapag may time and as much as possible, yun nga, I like to spend a lot of time with her. Pero, and also, kapag hindi ko mahanap yung words ko sometimes to express, dun ko rin pinapakita sa pag-spend ng time with her. And also, lots of cuddles, lots of hugs, and then words of affirmation kasi pag wala naman ako and I can't be with her, dun ako bumabawi. Like, I always have to make sure na she still feels my presence and my love for her, even if I'm away. So, yun yung bawi ko sa kanya. I always let her know that I love her through my words. I would always call her, video call her kapag malayo kami sa isa't isa. That way, kahit yun nga, hindi kami magkasama, ramdam pa rin niya yung love ni Mom.